I'm Thomas Smith, and I'm here at Sycamore Grove Park in Livermore, which is one of my favorite of the parks in the East Bay. It's a really massive park with these beautiful old sycamore trees and a lot of just open rural space. You'll see cows, you'll see vineyards, and it's got a wonderful walking trail that's totally paved, crosses bridges, goes by gardens, and again, it's just in this lovely setting with these sycamore trees growing alongside a stream, and very just sort of contemplative and beautiful, even if you're walking in the winter, as I'm doing here. So Sycamore Grove Park, my advice is to start at the Wetmore Road entrance. You can walk in and see this lovely native garden and then start your walk along the path. And again, there's a nice bridge you cross over a stream, and then you'll proceed through open fields and more of these lovely trees. You can also check out some of the local flora and fauna, and there's some really nice informative plaques along the trail talking about that, giving you some information on the history of the area and also some of the plants and wildlife you're likely to find there. Make sure to bring plenty of water if you're walking down the trail because it is fairly exposed, but it is paved, so it's a great walk if you're using a wheelchair or a stroller. You can also go on horseback and bring your leashed dog to Sycamore Grove Park.